In lesson 4.7, with our Think About It, it says solve the following problem in two different ways. So if we have minus 2 times inside of parenthesis n plus 4, close parenthesis, equal to 22. So our minus 2 is a coefficient, and then we have n plus 4 inside. So there are two different ways of solving this that we're going to look at today. The first method is using the distributive property, which says we take the number on the outside, the coefficient, and multiply it by each of the terms inside the parentheses. So we're expanding it, and then we solve. The second one is to simplify by dividing both sides by the coefficient. The coefficient is minus 2, so we would divide this side and this side by minus 2. So if I rewrite the equation, and I say minus 2 times n is minus 2n, and I go minus 2 times 4 is minus 8 is equal to 22. So this is using the distributive property. Now I solve by adding 8 on this side and 8 on this side. So I have minus 2n is equal to 30. Divide both by minus 2. And I have n is equal to minus 15. Now I can check my answer. Going minus 2 times minus 15 plus 4 is equal to 22. So minus 2 times minus 11. So 22 equals 22, and I've done a check. The second way is to simplify. So if I have minus 2 n plus 4 is equal to 22, I'm going to start off by dividing both sides by minus 2. So here I would be left with n plus 4 is equal to minus 11. I have to subtract 4 and subtract 4, and n is equal to minus 15. And I could also do a check in the same way, which is minus 2 minus 15 plus 4 is equal to 22. Minus 2 times minus 11 is equal to 22. So these are my two different ways of solving. I can use the distributive property, or I can simplify by dividing both sides by the coefficient.